Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to install Java JDK on Windows 10 operating system. It's a very easy process, very simple process. Just follow me. Okay, so few things we have to understand or we have to remember that. First criteria is that we have to check that in our system the Java has already been installed or not. So how to check? So first go to search here, Windows search. Here just type command prompt cmd and you can see that it's command prompt. Just clicking on that. Now type here java space hyphen version, enter. So Java is not recognized as an internal or external comment. That means Java has been not installed in our system, so we have to install that. Okay, so let's do that. So what should I do? First we will go any browser and just type here download Java JDK, enter. So you can see that, just go to that www.oracle.com. So go to that oracle.com site and now you can see that Java downloads here. So here different versions are available. So now Java 19, Java 17s are available. Okay, so different versions are available. Now what should we do now? First, here we can see that one tab is for Java 19 version and another tab is that for Java 17 version. So if you guys download any version, so Java 19 is the latest version. So we are going to download that Java 19 version. Okay. Now here we can see that on the Java 19 version, three tabs are there. One is for Linux, second one is for Mac, and third one is for Windows. So as I am going to install that for Windows operating system, that's why we are clicking on that Windows tab. Now we'll download that 64 installer, this one, that .exe file we are going to download. Okay, just clicking on that. Now it's downloading. So in your case, maybe whenever you guys are going to download, so maybe you have to register that oracle.com site. So it's a very easy process. Just register that and log in and you can easily download that. Okay, so now we can see that Java JDK has been downloaded. Now clicking on that, click on yes, and now Java is ready for installation. Just clicking on the next button. Now here one thing is that, so if I clicking on the next button, then the Java will be saved on that particular folder c/program file /java/jdk9. That means on the C drive in the program files, Java will be saved. But if you want to change, then you can easily change. So I am just keeping that as it is. Okay, so just clicking on the next button. Now it's installing. It will take few seconds. Now yes, so Java Development Kit 19.0.2 successfully installed. Now click on the close button. So first step is done. Now we have to go for the second step. Now go to that program files where the Java has been saved. In that C drive, go to the program files. Now you can see that Java has been saved here, downloaded here, or installed here. Okay, so JDK 19. Now what should I do? Now we'll go to edit environment variables. Just type here edit environment variables. Edit environment variables. See, under control panel, you can see that edit environment variable, edit the system environment variables. Just clicking on that. Now this pop-up will appear. In that pop-up, in that system properties pop-up, we'll just clicking on that environment variables. Now again I am doing that. In that pop-up, we are just clicking on that environment variables button. Clicking on that environment variable. Now here, two things we have to do. First one is that we can see that here one system. So here basically two parts are there. One is for environment variables, another is for system variables. So everything for the Java we will use that system variables. Now what should I do? First, go to that path variable. See here path is one. So go to that path variable. So if you guys can double click on that path, then this edit environment variable pop-up will appear. Or you can just clicking on single click. Now clicking on that thing or clicking on that edit. So this edit environment variables will show up. Now what should we do now? Now go to that JDK 19. Now go to that bin folder. So now we are on the bin folder structure. Copy that total path on the bin. Okay, so copy that path and simple just double click here and paste it. Okay, and now clicking on OK. So one step is done. Now second step, what is the next step? Now we have to add Java home. Now how? On that system variables, now on that system variables, we are just clicking on that new. If you clicking on the new, then one model appear. So one is for variable name, another is variable value. So variable name should be Java underscore home and all should be capital letter. Java underscore home. And what is the variable value? So for that variable value, just go to the program files, cdive program files, then Java, then go to the JDK 19 folder and now copy the path of the JDK 19. Copy it and here and paste it on the Java variable. Okay, so now done. Clicking on the OK. Now clicking on the OK. Now clicking on the OK. Now again open the command prompt. Again open the command prompt. Now here we'll just write Java space version. Enter and we can see that Java has been successfully installed. So at the previous time, first time, so there is no Java, so that's why some error was showing. Now Java has been installed, so that's why it's showing that Java version 19.0.2. That means Java has been installed successfully. We can check like that Java C space minus version. So Java compiler version is 19.0.2. That means Java has been successfully installed. So now we are clear about that, how to install Java. Now let's do one simple program that we can got to know that Java is working perfectly fine or not. Okay, so for that purpose we will go to the, suppose we are go to the desktop, just desktop. I am just giving one example. Okay, so on the desktop just create any document, any notepad. Okay, so in that notepad we will write some Java program. Okay, so now write some Java program. So I'm writing some Java program, easy Java program. Public class, suppose the class name is hello world. Hello world. Okay, second bracket. So inside second bracket we'll write some method. Public static void main and then right string argument. Okay, now here we will write system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println. So now here we'll just comment, we'll write something like hello world or hello Java, like that. Okay, and semicolon, and now save it. So save as. Now whenever we guys are going to save that, now how to save? Give the file name. So what is the name? The name is that class name is the hello world. Hello world dot, the extension should be Java. Hello world dot Java. Be remember guys, the extension should be Java. Okay, now clicking on that. So here I will choose the all files. Now hello world dot Java, file name is hello world dot Java. Now save. So now hello world dot Java class has been saved here. Okay, now go to the command prompt, and here, so my file is on the desktop. So now I am on the user. Okay, so now go to the desktop. How to go? CD, then desktop. So now I am on the, see, I am on the desktop. Okay, now Java C, then class name or file name hello world dot Java. So this is for compile purpose. Compilation is done. Okay, now for the run purpose, Java, then hello world, then hello world, enter. See, hello Java. That means Java is also working perfectly fine. Okay, so now you guys are very much clear about that, how to install Java and how to run a simple program on Notepad. So I think this video will be very helpful for you. If yes, then one like. Thank you.